Welcome to day 4, plant-based recipes. How do you introduce it? Well, I got to tell you, today we're going to a family event. And yeah, we're known for bringing either the amazing organic roasted turkey on Thanksgiving, or throughout the year we bring nothing but plant-based recipes. So I'm going to show you a quick little one that we just did. Okay, it's in the oven right now. But all its ingredients: sweet potatoes. You're talking Brussels sprouts, amazing organic Brussels sprouts, garlic powder, black pepper, Celtic sea salt, balsamic vinegar, and coconut oil. What we have, and I'm going to show you this right now, it's cooking in the oven. I just threw it in, but we're going to be leaving in a little bit. This right here, coat the pan with coconut oil, chop up, and you'll see what we did to the Brussels sprouts. Then you chop up and skin this, or actually the sweet potatoes weren't skinned. Chop the sweet potatoes up, chop the Brussels sprouts up, coat the pan with coconut oil, put a little bit of coconut oil, sea salt, pepper, the garlic powder, and then put a little bit more coconut oil in there so it'll soak down in there. You put it in at around 250 degrees. In a half an hour, you're going to stir it over. The outside edges are going to be crispy. We've got this old ancient cast iron pan that we bought at a swap meet. Make sure that if you are using cast iron that it's not produced in China, because those things can have some toxins. But man, this cast iron pan's been around for about 30 years, and if it could talk. Okay, but look at this. Okay, another about 20 minutes, we're going to start to flip these, and then they're going to be al dente on the inside, a little crispness on the outside. The saturated fats from the coconut oil, cleansing, delicious, amazing nutrients. And I gotta tell you, when you eat this, how about having some little organic potatoes or a little bit of wild rice with it? You put that and you are not going to be missing anything. People are going to eat this satisfying, savory. So many times people will go in there and they'll say, plant-based, I don't like salads. That ain't a salad, baby. That's savory, delicious, satisfying, wonderful, and simple. But wait, a factory didn't make it for us. I didn't put it in the microwave, did I? No, don't let a factory cook for you. The food science that they're using, they're putting chemicals in the food that trick your brain. This, it came out of the earth. This is amazing stuff. What you put in your body becomes your body. Think of that every time you're sitting down for a meal. Think about what you put in your body, because it becomes your body. God bless you. This is a good day 4.